How to register a MEXC account. Hi everyone. With millions of users worldwide, MEXC is quickly becoming a top choice for crypto investors. In this video, I'll show you how to register a MEXC account. To register an account and get special offers from MEXC, visit coinaz.net/MEXC. Or click on the link to register a MEXC account in the description of this video. Let's get started. This is the MEXC account registration page. MEXC offers two registration options, email or mobile. I'll choose email. First, enter your email and password. Here are the password requirements. Please refer to the example on the screen. Then, click Sign Up. Please slide to complete the puzzle. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your email. This is an email that MEXC sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click More. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the verification code. Please copy this code. Then paste it here. Your account has been successfully created. Now, you need to verify your account. Click here. Then click Identification. There are two types of verification, primary KYC and advanced KYC. You should choose advanced KYC to unlock more benefits, enhance security, and higher trading limits. You can verify via web or verify via app. I'll guide you through the process of verify via web. Click here. For advanced KYC, you need to complete the following two steps: proof of identity and facial verification. Click Start Verification. First, please select the issuing country of the document. Next, choose the ID type. There are four options: ID card, passport, driving license, and residence permit. I'll choose ID card. Here are ID photo requirements. You can choose to take or upload a photo of your document. I'll choose to upload the photos. Click here to upload a photo of the front of your ID. Click here to upload a photo of the back of your ID. Once both photos are uploaded, click Continue. Click here to consent. Then click Continue. MEXC wants to use your camera. Click Continue. Click here to turn on the camera. Then, follow MEXC instructions to complete the verification process. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. First, click here. Then click Security. Please link at least one additional verification method to enhance security. I'll guide you through setting up Google Authenticator. Click Link now. There are 3 steps you need to complete. Step 1. Download MEXC or Google Authenticator. Step 2. Add key and create backup in the Authenticator app. Step 3. Security verification. Now I'll show you how to download the app. First, open App Store. If your phone uses the Android operating system, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Scan a QR code. Authenticator wants to use your camera. Click Allow. Now scan the QR code provided by MEXC in Step 2. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Now go back to the MEXC website. Click Get Code. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go to your email, get the code, and enter it here. Next, enter the code from the Google Authenticator app. Once you've entered it, click Submit. You have successfully set up two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Similarly, you can set up mobile verification by following MEXC's instructions. I've just shown you how to register a MEXC account. Wishing you success.